Hi everyone, thank you for tuning into this OWL vidcast. I'm Harry Denny, the Faculty Director for the Purdue Writing Lab and Associate Professor of English. In this slideshow, I'd like to give you a quick overview of how to use the Writing Lab. To start off, knowing when to get help can be really tough, especially when you're new to college or haven't collaborated with a writing consultant before. Plus, we're all taught that writers work alone, sequestered away from other people. Well, for some of us, that's true, but for other people, we have a different approach to writing that's more social, more about sharing or talking through what you want to express through your writing or with your documents. Fortunately for you, consultants in the Writing Lab have lots of experience working with different kinds of writers, whether you're new to college or whether you need help at any stage of your academic career. The Writing Lab works with everyone at Purdue, from first-year students and other undergraduates to graduate students, faculty, postdoctoral fellows, and university staff. We help people from all majors in courses like anthropology, pharmacy, biology, animal science, engineering, and education. Sometimes even English courses. Like I said, everyone is welcome. This fall, the Writing Lab, like the rest of our world, is being affected by the coronavirus. In a usual semester, we have three main ways to connect with writing consultants. You can come for a face-to-face session, you can upload a document for feedback, or you can have an online chat with a consultant. In order to maintain social distancing and keep us all safe, to do our part to protect Purdue, we are limiting the number of face-to-face sessions we offer. We plan to have a limited number of sessions available in our main location at Hevelon Hall and Sunday evening hours in the Kroc Leadership Center. To learn more about how you can make an appointment, check on the links at the end of this presentation. When's the best time to come see your writing consultant? It's really up to you. My advice is to have a session when you think a conversation is going to offer you the best help. Do you need someone to help you understand an assignment, to think about your plan for it, to imagine an audience, or to think through an argument? Do you have a draft of a document and you have sections of it that feel stronger than others? Are you getting ready to turn your document in to a professor, to an employer, or somewhere else, and you want help editing it? Do you have a document that a professor or someone has given you feedback on, but you're not sure what to do with it? For each of those scenarios, we have help for you. We've all been there, so we know how you're feeling. For your first session with a writing consultant, you might wonder what it's going to be like. Well, unlike this video, it's going to be a conversation. For our face-to-face and online chats, it's a real dialogue where we ask lots of questions and offer advice when appropriate. But we also give you lots of time to talk. For our e-tutoring appointments, you'll get a document back with inserted comments from your writing consultant. These will also include a lot of questions and suggestions, and sometimes we even include links to resources on the Purdue OWL that can help you. For sessions where you need help editing, we're going to ask you about your own strategies and what you know you struggle with. Sometimes you don't have a strategy, or you don't know what you don't know, and that's okay. We'll help teach you some strategies and encourage you to practice on your own. Our goal is to help you become a better writer as you improve your writing in the moment. Most important, we're in this learning experience together. You might wonder what you should bring to a session or share with a writing consultant. As you might imagine, anything and everything you can contribute helps the consultant better support you. That might mean you share your assignment, the syllabus, a grading rubric that your professor gives out, previous drafts, or other materials. And it's okay not to know where to begin. We can talk you through questions that might make our conversation better, more useful to you. What's important is that you reach out and that you do it with plenty of time before your document is due. If you wait until just minutes before a project is due, there's only so much we can help you with. Even if that happens, we can help you think about how to best apply the lessons you're learning to the next document draft. Some people ask who our writing consultants are and how they get trained. All of our staff go through a rigorous training program, sometimes in a regular academic course, sometimes at their own pace as an independent study. We have both undergraduate and graduate consultants, but they bring the same experience and background to collaborating with writers. All of our consultants are terrific, and they're all equally qualified to support you. To wrap up, I'm really proud to serve as the faculty director of the Writing Lab because I get this amazing opportunity to work with writers across campus. I get to learn what faculty are trying to do with writing, how they're trying to use it to introduce students to their disciplinary communities, as well as teach a whole set of skills that will benefit their students throughout life. I get to learn from students about what gets them excited about writing, as well as what frustrates and scares them. Everything that you teach us about writing, about the languages you bring to campus, helps us become better teachers, scholars, and citizens. And our writing consultants teach me every day about collaboration, empathy, humanity, and the energy that being on a campus like Purdue always serves up. We're all facing unprecedented challenges in the coming weeks and months, but together we can accomplish just about anything. I look forward to seeing you online and in person someday soon. Thanks for tuning in.